Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a virtual gallery video. It's going to be called Early Evening with the Microwave. So this is a pretty much a spin-off or a subdivision of my Greater After Dark series, where you focus on a point of light and you kind of move around and let the natural motions, create a cool image. Something interesting. You really don't know what you're going to get until you do it, so it's a fun process. And this one, as the title would suggest, is the clock on my microwave around 6 p.m. So I think you'll see 6:01, 6:02. I believe I stopped at 6:07. I think that was the final shot. But I hope you enjoy. And as always, like and subscribe. It definitely helps us out here at the channel. And feel free to comment too if there's any other kind of videos or content you'd like to see. We are launching episode 2 of the podcast coming up probably next week as well. And for this particular project, I was using the trusty old Sony A2. I do have a full manual lens on here. It is a TT Artisan. For anybody that's interested, you can find those at B&H Photo. It's an awesome place. It is all manual, so you can't use any kind of autofocus or any of the fun stuff that the Sonys have. But it gives you a really just classic look and quality. But again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.